guys, we're on the Super Rovers Boxcar Derby. Morgan had to fix that last word, but this is one of the smaller roller coasters. I'm swinging the GoPro right now. I shot it with the phone last night. The GoPro seems to be working better, except for on the Kraken. Kind of messed up. There's a look at the ride down there. You got Morgan over here. Morgan, hey Morgan, and here we go, guys. It's a small roller coaster, so don't blink. All right. Yeah, if you blink, you literally miss most of the ride. But there we go around the circles here, guys. Woohoo! And we forgot to take our baseball hats off, so hopefully we don't lose them. But this is great. If you guys got the little ones, guys, awesome. The Super Grover roller coaster over here at SeaWorld. There's a look at the where you're coming in to stop, but that's it. It's really quick. It's kind of like the one over in Tampa, but they got the actual Super Grover Air Grover ride over here. It's not as big, but it's nice. And that's it.